Hello, my name is Ishita and this is my project for network. So the first specification is the users is new post. So users who are signed in should be able to write a new text-based post by filling in text into a text area and then clicking a button to submit the post. Here my new post box appears at the top of the all posts page. Suppose if I make a post and I click on tweet, as you can see it got added to the rest of my posts. Second specification is all posts. The all post links in the navigation bar takes the user to a page where they can see all the posts from all the users, with the most recent post first. So each post consists of the user who created the post, the date and time at which the post was created, the post content, and the likes the post has gotten. Profile page. So clicking on a username should load that user's profile page. This page includes the number of followers the user has as well as the number of people the user follows. And it also displays the post for that user in reverse chronological order. For any user who is signed in, this page should also display a follow or unfollow button, which will let me to either follow or unfollow Sachin. Since I am not yet following Sachin, I can follow him right now and update the count of followers. I can unfollow him, and as you can see, the count of followers has reduced to 0. This is not applicable for me on my profile page because I cannot follow or unfollow myself. Following. The following link in the navigation bar takes the user to a page where they can see all the posts made by the users the current user follows. Since I am only following Soham, so I can see all the posts made by him. Pagination. Any page can consist of only 10 posts. If there are more than 10 posts, then a next button should appear at the bottom of that page to take the user to the next set of posts. Similarly, the user can go back to the previous page by clicking on the previous button. Edit post. So the user should be able to click on an edit button or link of their own post to edit that post. So when the user, that is me, clicks on edit, a text box appears which is pre-filled with the contents of the initial post. Now I can edit this post and click on save and voila, it edited my post. Like and unlike. So the user should be able to click a button to link to like or unlike any post. So when I click on like, it updates the like count for this particular post made by Sachin. Similarly, I can unlike the same post and its likes reduces back to 0. Thank you.